Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy unbagging for August. So the first item came on the outside because it probably didn't fit in the bag. Ooh, it's like textured. I don't know if you could see that. Feels interesting. It's real soft too. So this is just a shadow brush. I like that. That's cool. And that is from La Ruche. And the bag is holographic, real fun. And there's a card inside, glow your own way. For a very brief time they did give you the list of products and now they don't anymore. I really wish they did. I don't think they did. It's just talking about... Yeah, I don't think so. I like getting the product cards. So the first item is Be Kind, Be Gentle Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Mask. I have had this brand before, so this is just a leave-in conditioner you put in for like 5-10 minutes and then rinse it out. I guess it's not leave-in since you rinse it out, but you know what I mean. It's a hair mask. Oh, cool. Bubble tea. Peach iced tea body cream. It's really cute packaging too. I want to smell this. I love peach stuff. Definitely does smell like peach. And it's not too thin, not too thick. It's a good lotion. It smells really nice. A couple more items. We have eyeshadow and it's called Tequila. That's really pretty. Shimmery and neutral, which is a lot of the shades that I wear. Ooh, I've had this before. Murad. This is a clarifying cleanser. It does have salicylic acid in it. It's an acne treatment. And I really like this, so I'm glad to have it again. Lasts me a pretty long time. And I think that was it. Yep. The inside of the bag is gray. So that is what I got this month. If you guys would like to try to sign up for a subscription, I will put all the information below for Ipsy. And if you'd like to try the coldest water bottle, these are really awesome. I have 2 links below. One is to purchase anything from their website. There's also a promo code. And then the other link is a giveaway link. So you could try to earn one of these awesome insulated water bottles. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.